Hey everyone, it's your girl Leila. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
Hey guys, so I just got home, hence like this that's going on right now. I just got home from a hike and I thought I would do kind of like a winter self-care routine because I feel like the only time I really do like a full self-care routine is after a hike because I'm either completely exhausted and I just pass out, or I fully do like a full self-care routine. Includes like a bath. I soak my feet in like Epsom salt water kind of thing. It helps with blisters and I get a lot of blisters lately. I don't know why, but I do that. I do a whole routine, including looking at my beautiful photos that I took of the day. I'm wearing this hat because my hair is completely flat right now, by the way. Hat is from DHgate. So I literally just got home from the hike. We did an amazing hike today. It was a beautiful winter day for this. So I will include kind of some photos, I guess, on the side of the screen so you guys can see it. But basically, the first thing that I do when I get home is I grab a tea or something hot. I already had tea after the hike. I've been kind of getting in the routine into like bringing a thermos with me hiking and then having some tea in the thermos for like after the hike. So that's straight after the hike, but when I get home I get another tea. This is a London Fog from Tim Hortons and that is my tea of choice. I just ate, I had Viet for dinner and I got a donut from Tim's and I thought I would just include this little like taste test because this is a really cool donut. So it's kind of melted a little bit. It used to be prettier, but it still is pretty. It's their special Olympics donut that they come out with every year. They literally have this for 3 days out of the year and it's so good. I limit myself to just one though because I mean it's a donut and I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to go to the gym more often. This is just a treat. Like I hiked today. I hiked like 11 kilometers today, so I think I deserve this. So this is a little bit of a little taste test. This isn't normal for when I come home. I literally usually just bring home a tea and call it a day and just do my after hike self-care routine. But today we're gonna do things a little bit differently. I'm rewarding myself. Okay guys, let's start this routine. So I start off by taking off my BB cream that I've worn throughout the day, and I just use this micellar water from Garnier. Okay, next up I try to delayer because it's so hot in my washroom. And then I clean my crampons. So this is a big part of my after hike routine. I wash these all the time because they can get rusty if you don't, and if you don't let them dry properly, they don't look the best the next time you take them out. So I try to make a habit of cleaning them. I have spent, you know, a lot of money on these and I want them to last long, so I do try to take care of them. And so yeah, I just wash them with plain soap and then I put them out to dry on a bath mat and I let them dry for about 24 hours, taking off my other layer of leggings, and then I sit in bed for a while and either answer messages that I've missed throughout my hike, or I just look at the photos that I took that day. Okay, next up, I'm gonna comb my hair and put it up. Okay, I opted to not take a bath on this day. I just wanted a quick shower. So I take off my watch and I use this Foreo Luna with this heybud cleanser. This heybud cleanser is so great because it is such a simple cleanser. It doesn't have any beads or exfoliators added to it. It's very gentle and I love this cleanser after a workout. I feel like it just puts the moisture back into my skin. I use this after the gym as well. So I continue with the rest of my shower routine. I love this body wash, by the way. It's Pink Animal Crackers by Philosophy. It's amazing and it lathers really well. Okay, next up is lotion time. So I got this lotion from Bath & Body Works and it is a berry lotion. And then it's my face care routine. I just do a lip moisturizer and then I'm gonna take this heybud face mask, and I love the stuff. It's a clay mask. It is just so gentle on your skin, and it does come with this brush, so I apply on probably like a very light layer to start. I kind of layer it up a little bit and it dries pretty fast. It's very, very relaxing as well. I love this stuff. All of the heybud stuff, by the way, will be linked in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. And now we wait. So the next thing I do is I take this fan and I dry out my lashes. Even though I need to get my lashes done, they've been on for about 6 weeks now, I still like to dry them. And then this is more of a pampering part of my after hike routine. I do a foot soak. I first start off with cold water, as cold as I can stand it. And then I'll do an Epsom salt rinse as well, because I tend to get blisters lately, especially with my hiking boots right now. So I love this lavender Epsom salt mix. And then I just soak my feet for as long as I want, basically, with my face mask on, and then I'll rinse that off next. Okay, so now is the final part of the routine, which is my skincare. It takes the longest for sure. This next part is toner. So it's just Proactive toner. This is my favorite toner, by the way. And then I use the treatment by Proactive as well. It's benzoyl peroxide, so it keeps my breakouts at bay and it prevents any breakouts from happening. Okay, and then this heybud moisturizer. I love this stuff. It's a very light moisturizer, so it's good for my oily skin girls out there. It's non-scented or anything like that, so it's really gentle. And then I'll do an eye cream. This is by Glow Recipe. It's their avocado eye cream. I just got this as a sample, so I'm taking a little bit of that and putting that underneath my eyes. I don't take a whole lot because I have lash extensions. I don't want them to kind of melt off by like any oils or anything like that. And then I take the heybud serum. So I love this stuff. It is a great serum, and I do my face and neck with this stuff. Bring it all the way down to your neck, and I do pretty light layer of it as well. You can layer it up more if you have drier skin, but I think this works great. And then so next up, I am taking my Shepo X. This is a bunny face massager, so it looks like this. This is a anti-aging skincare device. It uses red light LED technology, and it specifically targets fine lines and wrinkles. It's a non-invasive treatment that's safe to use. I only use it up to 3 times myself, but it takes about a minute to go over your whole face. Just think of a gua sha treatment, but with red light technology. It works really well. This will be linked down below in the description as well. And that is all for my routine. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys soon in a new video. Bye!
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.